everyone, Ty here, Tea with Ty, and I'm here with Priscilla and Andrew at A Couple Craves. What is A Couple Craves? What happens here?
Well, here at A Couple Craves, we customize and charcuterie spreads, plates, boxes, boards, but it doesn't stop there. We also have sliders and salads, so come see us for lunch.
So you have a full menu?
We have a full menu here, yes.
Basically what we wanted to do was open up a little bit more with our cheese and meats, but also have our sliders and be able to have some place that people downtown could come down and eat. And it's not just charcuterie, it could be much more than that.
Speaking of charcuterie, you guys did a fancy little plate for us. Can you talk about what this is? Like, what's on here?
Yes, so this is our small plate. The small plate is a perfect lunch or snack for two. So you'll get two different types of cheeses. You'll get one meat selection. And as you see, we normally do two roses, so there's no fighting.
Oh, I love that.
And then you'll get a cluster of nuts and some fruits with that as well, as a complimentary jelly and cracker to enjoy with your spread.
Oh my gosh, that sounds delicious. I can't wait to actually eat.
Now this type, you can, go. You can go
I was like, whoa.
Now this type of plate you can also get in one of our craveable boxes. So if you even want to take it to go, you can do that as well. But I did want to also mention, besides being a great lunch place or for any of your gatherings, being able to grab a charcuterie spread and have us cater your event,
Oh my God, that's amazing.
we host a lot of events here as well. So we do perfect pairings, charcuterie workshops. We're all about the Chambers events. So we did the chocolate trail, did a gingerbread house competition in December. Any event you can think of, we would love to host it and be creative with you and make your gathering exactly how you want it.
I would love to take that class because, I always love a good charcuterie board for dinner. So let me please be the first one to sign up for how to do a charcuterie board.
We would love to have you, and that's what we'll teach you, how to do some of the roses, different ways you can cut the cheeses, and just all what goes into making it look pleasing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So A Couple Craves, how did you guys come up with that name?
I play on words a little bit, just a couple of your craves. You know what I mean? It's just, you know what I mean? Because we didn't want to make it just charcuterie. So when this first started, it wasn't like it was, yes, charcuterie. We're going to do charcuterie boxes and boards and bring that to life, because who doesn't like good meats and cheeses at a party?
Right.
Any type of event, it doesn't matter.
Absolutely.
But we knew that it could be so much more than that. So we didn't want to just make it that. So just a couple of everyone's cravings: meats, cheeses, honeys, jellies.
Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. I love that. That is super cute. Thank you guys so much for joining us. I really appreciate it. Thank you, everyone. Make sure to come check this out because this is just absolutely delicious. Bye.